Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to another video. This is your brother Yogi Emmanuelle. And for today, I have another wonderful, powerful Kundalini Kriya meditation just for you. This one is for mental control and focus. This kriya is also known as Brahm Kalaa. This meditation will help you face your fear of death. This meditation will help you increase your vitality by letting go of control. It will help you release fear and attachment. You can do this mudra for 3 minutes a day and eventually work your way up to 11 minutes. Let's get started. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Yogaveler, and like this video to stay up to date with the series. Thank you, and let's begin. Slowly coming into a comfortable seated position on top of a blanket or a pillow with your spine straight. Bring your hands together, rub your hands. We're going to tune in with the mantra, Om Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the divine within. This is going to connect us to the spirit of this yoga practice. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. And inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Take a deep breath in and hold breath. Squeeze your navel, lift your spine, eyes rolling up. Hold your breath, squeeze your navel, keep pushing your hands together. Hold this breath as long as you can. Keep the face soft. Keep squeezing the navel, eyes rolling up, shoulders relax. And slowly exhale. Again, inhale deep. Hold the breath. Squeeze the navel. And hold this breath as long as you can. And slowly exhale. We're going to come right into our posture. We're going to bring our right hand down and left hand on top. And you're going to stay here holding this posture with slow, deep breaths. This is a very powerful posture and mudra. And it will definitely challenge you. Just allow yourself to be present and focus on deep breathing. This will help strengthen your mental capacity. It will help you elevate yourself in the moment of pressure and challenges. Focus on your breath, slow and deep. Let this practice bring you into a more conscious way of letting go of attachments. Let yourself rise from your fear and let yourself align to the power that is within you. Continue to breathe slow and deep. You are doing extremely, extremely well. If your mind starts to wander or it starts to convince you that this is too much and that you're starting to feel pain, go deeper into your breath. Let the mind just be there. You are in control. Keep going, you're almost there. Keep breathing, keep holding this posture. Let yourself become stronger physically, mentally, and spiritually. Be the light now. I know it hurts. I know that it's burning. Just keep breathing. Let your mind rest while you become more aware of your inner truth, your inner power. Keep going, beautiful soul. You're doing really well. Keep up and you will be kept up. All right, take a deep breath in and release as you exhale. You can stay sitting down in this lotus position, or you can come lying on your back. Either way, let your body rest. Let yourself absorb all the benefits from that practice, from that meditation, from that mudra. And just let your body receive all of these beautiful energies and light that you have attracted. Enjoy. Relax even more. Lengthen your body even more. Doing this practice every day, you're going to start to see bigger transformation in your life. Relax even more. Really take this time to balance and center and empty yourself. This is the most important part of your practice. Let go if there's any tension that you're still holding on to, and just fully relax. You can start to slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Come back into your seated position. Taking as much time as you need. Coming back to seated. We're going to tune out with the mantra Sat Nam. Long Sat and a short Nam. Truth is my name. Take a deep breath in. Sat Nam. Inhale and exhale. Thank you for your practice, beautiful soul. Have an amazing day. We'll see you on our next video. If you would like to work with me as a healer, as a life coach, or as a private yoga teacher, please email me at yogiemmanuelle@gmail.com.